Hello and welcome to Grace Tutorial. Friends, once there was a man called Andrew Carnegie who came to America from Scotland as a young boy. He started out by doing some of the odd jobs and ended up as one of the largest steel manufacturers in the United States of America. You know, at a time he had 43 millionaires working for him. $1 million is a lot of money today, but in 1920 it was worth much more. Someone asked Mr. Carnegie that how he dealt with people. Then Andrew Carnegie replied, "Dealing with people is like digging for gold. When you go digging for an ounce of gold, you will have to remove an ounce of dirt before it. But when you go digging for gold, you don't go looking for the dirt. Where you go looking for the gold." Friends, if you think of it very carefully, Andrew Carnegie's reply has a very clear and important message to understand. It may not be apparent that there is something positive in every person or in every situation. You need to dig deep to look for the positive. So from this video, I would like to convey you a message that why don't you try to look for the positive in a person or in a situation instead of looking for the negative in a person or in a situation. You think of it very carefully. Anyhow, thank you very much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.